Airports manage thousands of moving assets in real time, but operations are still spread across fragmented systems. This makes it hard to see what's happening now or what risks are coming next. With Vanderlande's open-air platform, live operational data flows into Microsoft Fabric real-time intelligence, creating digital twins built over an ontology connecting flights, gates, passengers, bags, and equipment. Physically accurate 3D visualizations built on NVIDIA Omniverse libraries provide the spatial context to act fast, while the operations agent in Fabric monitors, surfaces risks, and recommends actions. The result is a connected operational environment where humans and AI work side by side. The operations agent in Fabric alerts the operator that a delayed inbound flight has been reassigned to a new parking position. With a tight connection window, passengers must clear security quickly or miss their flights. The agent recommends to prep the position immediately. Using the 3D view, the operator identifies suitability of nearby available vehicles. With one click, work orders are approved and ground teams dispatched. A failing conveyor motor starts to slow baggage throughput. The operations agent in Fabric flags the risk and highlights the conveyor in 3D. After verifying the risk, the operator approves a reroute and a maintenance work order, keeping transfer bags and connections on schedule. Meanwhile, inside the terminal, the 3D view shows a heat map highlighting congestion at Security Checkpoint A. The operations agent recommends opening lanes and rerouting passengers. The operator stays in control, first verifying conditions and then approving the agent-recommended actions, dispatching staff to escort tight connection passengers through a faster route and onto their gates. With Vanderlande's open-air platform, powered by Microsoft Fabric real-time intelligence, Microsoft Fabric IQ, and NVIDIA Omniverse libraries, airports gain an integrated real-time view in spatial context with AI-driven operations helping teams detect risks earlier, proactively take action, reduce disruptions, and improve passenger experience.